Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung A02s. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Samsung A02s and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here general management. After click over general management, you need to click here date and time. After click over date and time, you're going to see in this screen there is no option to set date and time. So you have to here is the thing, you need to turn off this. After turn off this, you're going to see the select time zone, set date and set time. From now, if you want to customize date and time, you can easily choose your preferred date, and if you decide to change your preferred time, you can easily change your preferred time. If I go back, I will notice my phone just now I had changed date and time. So within this we can easily change date and time in your Samsung A02s. Now I will definitely suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. What that does mean, that means if you are in Dubai and you went to London, automatically your phone going to be appear that area local time. So if you want to enable that, you need to click in your phone settings section, go scroll down and click here general management and then click here date and time, and you need to turn this automatically date and time. So within this we can easily change date and time in your Samsung A02s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.